All right, thanks, Ashley. A superhero once again ready for battle on the big screen. WNW movie critic James Molnar joins us now live, and we're talking about Thor.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, the superhero with the magic hammer.
Yeah.
It seems like every few Fridays we have a Superhero Friday, and the superheroes are back in theaters this weekend with Thor.
All right. Well,
this is the sequel, the follow-up to the 2011 movie with Chris Hemsworth starring, along with his kind of girlfriend, if you will, Natalie Portman, playing Jane Foster. And this time, of course, there is an evil. There's some evil that has to be vanquished from the earth, and of course none other than a superhero or a god like Thor can do it. And this one kind of gives us more of the story after last year's The Avengers. And so the cool thing with this whole series of Marvel movies is that they're all building upon each other. They're acting independently of themselves, but at the same time they're building on this larger story, which is really cool to behold. And Game of Thrones director Alan Taylor brings his vision to this movie, and it's a really enjoyable movie. It's PG-13, so you can take some of the kids there, and it's just under 2 hours. At times it feels a little long, but it is a really enjoyable movie. Lots of going on. The visual effects in this movie are incredible, and it's just amazing to me how they can make some of this stuff look so real.
Yeah, I know. It looks real good, though. It looks really good to watch. So do you have time for one more? Do you have
Sure. If you're looking for an Oscar, kind of Oscar bait movie, 12 Years a Slave is now in theaters here locally. It is about a free black man. It's based on an autobiography from the 1800s about a free black man who was kidnapped in D.C. in 1841 and sold into slavery. It is a little over 2 hours, and I'm told this is one of the best movies of the year.
Really?
And this could win the Oscar for Best Picture in March. So if you're looking for a movie that will really move you, this one's a hard one to watch, but it's supposed to be really good, and I'm excited to see this in a few days.
All right. Well, thank you so much, James, for joining us.
problem.
I always like Fridays. You come and tell us good news of what we can do this weekend. All right. Thanks, James.